Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. It's time for another snack review, another food review, where we usually try to taste something different, something new that I've never had before. Today, we're trying a new and limited edition type of Pop-Tarts. We are trying to try Pop-Tarts Marshmallow Hot Cocoa. Marshmallow Hot Cocoa Pop-Tarts. As you can see, it is a limited edition flavor there. Limited edition Pop-Tarts. So I'm going to open this box up here in front of the camera, and then we'll make a quick cut because since these are Marshmallow Hot Cocoa Pop-Tarts, I'm going to place one of these in the toaster so it'll be warm the way it should be, the way a Pop-Tart usually is supposed to be. So pop open the box here. Shiny wrapper, shiny wrapper. The wrapper feels a little bit different. Ooh. Well, that's kind of cool. The Pop-Tarts, this one says Cheers to Cocoa on it. And this one's got a little hand with a cup of hot chocolate. But the inside of the chocolate, instead of marshmallows, is the Pop-Tart. I think I'm going to go with this one to heat this one up. Alright, this just popped out of the toaster. I think I might have heated it a little bit too much. You can see there's little holes there along the side. It actually, some of the filling started to seep out of the holes. I've never had that really happen before, so this will be quite warm, tasty. So here we go. Try the new Pop-Tart, the Marshmallow Hot Cocoa Pop-Tart here. Actually, I'll give you a better visualization so you can see the picture of the Pop-Tart. Really see the marshmallows there. Well, I ate almost that entire Pop-Tart. Tasted. You can taste a little bit the cocoa flavor, the hot cocoa, because cocoa has a different flavor than just chocolate in general. Even though they're technically, I guess they came from the same source, but anyway, it has the hot cocoa flavor there. There is a little bit of a marshmallow flavor, but not a lot. I personally don't like marshmallows in general for the most part. A little bit doesn't bother me, so that definitely did not bother me. But if you're the type of person you get a cup of hot chocolate, it's about halfway full, and you pour a bunch of marshmallows on top. So it's, or if you love the s'mores, putting like a big old fat marshmallow in your s'more, or a couple of them to smash together so you have more marshmallows, you would definitely be disappointed by these Pop-Tarts, unfortunately. I do give the good old, I think Pop-Tarts, they still Kellogg's. I'm not for sure who owns Pop-Tarts. I think at one time it used to be Kellogg's, but maybe not. But anyway, the company responsible for Pop-Tarts, I give you credit because, yeah, it is Kellogg's. I see the little red K there. The market, the packaging, it's awesome. And you see the different designs there that you have. So there's actually 5 different designs. There's Cheers to Cocoa, Bear Hug in a Mug, Perfect something or other, Raise a Mug, and Cocoa is Dear to Me. So, Perfect Cocoa is what the one is. It's got a couple of cat paws on it. So yeah, so those, and they also got the one with the, just holding up with the Pop-Tart in the center. Anyway, overall, that's a little bit of disappointment. I mean, the marketing, everything, the packaging, that's a solid 10 for this, honestly, for marketing and all that. However, because of the way it actually tastes and what it's supposed to be, marshmallow hot cocoa Pop-Tarts, I'm gonna have to give this a 6.5. It's probably like a 5 for the taste, just basically average kind of. You got a little bit of a cocoa taste, a little bit of a marshmallow taste, but it doesn't really taste like marshmallow and hot cocoa. But kudos for trying. But the packaging is awesome, so I mean, it would be something different, popping in, especially you got kids. But like, maybe look at the design there, or there's the other design. But yeah, so there we have it, the Marshmallow Hot Cocoa Pop-Tarts limited edition. So they're probably just here through the winter. That'll probably be it. And based off of the way it tastes, I don't know if you will see this flavor again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Until next time, that's a wrap.